In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture on LinkedIn. We'll walk through the simple steps to upload, edit, and save a photo so your profile looks polished and professional. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Once you land on your homepage, go to your profile area and click the plus icon on your profile image placeholder. This opens LinkedIn's photo tool. This is where you'll choose your image and make quick edits before it goes live. LinkedIn wants members to use their real identities, so choose a photo of yourself. You don't need a studio headshot. A clear, friendly picture that represents you is perfect. For this tutorial, I'm just using a sample image, but you should pick a real, recent photo. Aim for good window light and a simple background, and avoid heavy filters that change how you look. You'll see two options: use your camera or upload a photo from your device. I'll choose upload a photo, browse your files, select the image you want, then click Open or Select. Your picture will load into the editor. Now fine-tune the framing. Use the crop tool to position your face in the center and zoom in or out until your head and shoulders fit comfortably in the circle. If the image is slightly tilted, use the straighten control to level it out. Next, explore filters. A subtle filter can brighten or soften your picture, but keep it natural so it still looks like you. After filters, adjust the basics. Brightness to lift dark areas, contrast to add definition, saturation to keep skin tones realistic, and vignette to gently darken the edges if you'd like to draw focus to your face. Small adjustments go a long way. Take a moment to preview how it appears in the circular frame. Make sure your eyes are above the center line, your face isn't cropped too tightly, and the background isn't distracting. When you're happy with everything, click Save Photo. LinkedIn will automatically update your profile picture across your profile and other places where your image appears. If the change doesn't show up right away, refresh the page after a few seconds. And remember, you can always return to this editor and fine-tune your photo anytime if you want a different look. That's it. You've successfully added and refined your LinkedIn profile picture. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.